Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch Ultra 2. To begin, power on your device by pressing and holding the side button. Once on, follow the on-screen prompts to pair it with your iPhone. Navigate through menus using the digital crown and access your apps with a press of the side button. You can easily customize your watch face by long pressing the display, then swiping to choose your preferred style and complications. It's designed for intuitive interaction right from the start. The Action button, located on the left side, offers quick access to your most used features, like starting a workout or turning on the flashlight. Its always-on Retina display boasts an impressive 3,000 nits of peak brightness, making it incredibly easy to read even in direct sunlight. Personalize your experience further by adding various complications to your watch face, showing information like weather, activity rings, or upcoming calendar events at a glance. Your Apple Watch Ultra 2 is a powerful health and fitness companion. It continuously monitors your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and tracks your sleep patterns, providing valuable insights into your well-being. The workout app supports over 100 different activities, from running to swimming. With its advanced dual-frequency GPS, you'll get incredibly precise distance and pace measurements, even in challenging environments like dense cityscapes or remote trails, helping you achieve your fitness goals. For adventurers, the dual-frequency GPS provides unparalleled accuracy, especially in areas where traditional GPS struggles, like urban canyons or dense forests. This watch is also water-resistant up to 100 meters, making it suitable for high-speed water sports and recreational diving. The built-in depth app automatically activates when submerged, displaying current depth, water temperature, and dive duration, ensuring you stay informed during your underwater explorations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.